Stukeley, we focus on each curriculum subject in its own right. This helps to ensure a knowledge-led approach that means children make progress within that subject discipline from Year 1 to Year 6, and that the taught content connects from one lesson to the next, each unit to the next, and then each year to the next. This short video tells you about our computing curriculum, how it is designed as a whole, how lessons are designed and delivered, and how outcomes are assessed. All planning starts from the national curriculum. It is a brief document that gives us statutory guidance in its simplest form, but then allows us to choose and build the right curriculum for our school. 3 big ideas run through our computing curriculum from Year 1 to Year 6. These are programming, digital literacy, and understanding technology. There are also other themes or spine concepts that thread all of the units together and give us a common vocabulary. These big ideas are revisited in all units. There is a clear plan of the computing units taught from Year 1 to Year 6. These have been chosen to offer broad and balanced coverage of computing techniques, genres, as well as a range of experiences to all children. In Key Stage 1, there is a focus on algorithms, identifying the basic parts of a PC, and being able to use computer devices for specific purposes. In Key Stage 2, children will explore more specific programming concepts, such as variables and loops. The children will also discuss networks, the internet, and how to use the internet safely. They continue to use different technologies for specific purposes. This includes making and editing videos, word processing skills, and collecting and displaying data. Everything about the design of the computing curriculum is brought together in a SOAP sheet, which is a subject on a page. This document provides an overview of what is taught, explored, and assessed in this subject. Although each curriculum subject has its own distinction, the majority of sessions are delivered with a review, teach, practice and reply, review, structure. This ensures regular recall and retrieval of previous learning, the introduction of new knowledge, the opportunity for children to deliberately practice and then review and connect to the next session. In computing, we teach children programming by following the lessons on code.org. These lessons develop the children's skills sequentially and regularly consolidate the skills from previous weeks. The final challenge in the unit involves a problem which allows the children to display everything that they have learned. Leaders and teachers have developed a range of resources to support teaching and learning. These might include knowledge organisers and schema organisers. Children use these as cognitive aids to try to commit what they are learning to their long-term memories. Here are examples of children's learning in a Year 2 programming unit. Lessons are kept fun and engaging and often have multiple solutions in order to solve the problem that they have been set. In this code.org unit, the repeat command has been introduced to the children. Throughout the year, children learn how to use the internet effectively and safely. They are taught what information is safe to share and what should be kept private. Linked with PSHE lessons, children learn anything that they put on the internet about themselves, whether information or photographs can be accessed, saved, shared and altered by anyone else. They are taught that people that they talk to online may not tell the truth and may not be who they say they are. They are also taught what to do if they hear or see something which upsets them. Children use a range of technology to achieve an objective. This includes using iPads to record and edit videos, making stop-motion videos, and then composing and recording a musical soundtrack to add to it, programming robots, and also using PCs in the computer suite. The children use the computers with a partner, which allows good discussion and problem solving. They take it in turns to be the pilot and the co-pilot. We regularly assess children for 3 main reasons. First of all, regularly checking and retrieving knowledge and practicing and applying learning is an effective way of strengthening memory. Secondly, assessments show us how much progress children have made. And then, finally, where there are gaps or areas to work on. Typically, we do all of the above through retrieval practice, quizzes and tests, and independent paragraph or essay writing. For the programming strand, however, we focus most of the assessment on the end of unit challenges that demonstrate the skills learned throughout the unit. That brings us to the end of our whistle-stop tour through the Stukeley computing curriculum. School and subject leaders are always available to talk more broadly about our curriculum or at a subject level depth. Please do get in touch.